Change this mount right here, dog bone, whatever it's called. So I have the wheel removed, and now I'm gonna need to get a jack and support the engine. Okay, then the engine is supported. Okay, right there. Now we can start removing these bolts. 1 and 2. Both bolts are 13mm. Okay. I can remove it by hand. That's the bolt. Do the second one. I already loosened them. Okay. Front. This one is gonna be for that, the longer one, and the shorter one. So the shorter one is gonna go on the right side. Now we can just try loosening this mount and just remove it. So I removed both the bolts, but now everything is in the way. The axle's in the way and this engine is in the way. I can't really lift it up that high. I tried. So I have to remove those 2 bolts on each side to lower the frame basically. So I can take this thing out and then replace it with this brand new one. Okay, so I lowered this thing. And now I remove this thing, okay, from over there. But you basically have to go this way out and you'll be able to slide it off. Putting a new one through.
I got an idea. Will that work? Yeah, I know it works.
Yeah. Right there, and just push it this way now. It's almost there. There you go. Okay. Just work it this way. Right there. Thing is in place now. You can bolt the subframe back. Okay. Bolt it up. Like so. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but there's on the top there's the bolt. Okay, so go back and forth. Now tighten this one. I'll line up the holes and put the bolts through and tighten them. Okay, now all the bolts are tight. Now lower your jack all the way. Alright, and then recheck your bolts. Okay. Cover back on, put the wheel back on, and it's gonna be ready.